Hello, this is just a quick introduction to our CIS 3334 mobile device programming course. Also, sometimes I'll just mobile apps course. So this is a flex course when I teach it. So it is available. You can take it as an online student. There are face-to-face sessions. This is spring 2022, and you can do them Tuesday and Thursday. Um, you can do it. You can also, I'll try to Zoom those, and you can attend those synchronously or asynchronously online, whatever options you want. I'll try to make everything available for this. Um, just a couple of information. There's my Zoom links are here, and if you want to meet or talk about anything, you can just sign up for calendar slots. I don't have not necessarily, well, I have some official office hours, but generally it's easier just to sign up for a calendar slot and meet with me, or just text me, and we can jump online or do a quick phone call or whatever you want. This is my phone number. You can call or text me anytime you want. So let's jump into this. So this course is set up similar to a number of courses that I have. So we have units every week, every unit. Let's jump in. Let's look at like unit 4 here. Every unit there'll be a learning activity. This is something I'll walk you through and basically walk you through the whole thing in every Thursday in class. We'll step through this whole thing and do it. And then also generally post a video of it, also walking you through it if you want to do it asynchronously. And so that's just what I call a learning activity. And it's low stakes, easy to do kind of stuff to learn what we're doing. There's also going to be an assignment every unit. So this is something you do more on your own and work on. It often builds on the learning activity and that sort of stuff. And so this is generally a project you have to build. Often you'll be downloading code like from GitHub. There'll be a link in here, and you'll have to modify that code and then post the results back up to GitHub. Sometimes we'll actually just look at code. So this, you might be looking at code and there might be questions or answers you might have to answer here. So it depends on the assignment, what you have to do. So besides the learning activity and the assignment every week, there's a unit review. This is a quiz, so to speak. It's just a 5-question review quiz, checking on terms and some concepts for the week. You can take this as many times as you want. The idea is just to keep taking it till you get it all correct here. So don't worry, you can take it as many times as you want. And it just helps you refresh and kind of remember the important concepts from that unit. Besides that, I'll generally have some information posted, some lecture kind of material, or new material I want to do. If I'm Zooming these things in class, I'll post those Zoom recordings here also. So that's the general idea of every unit that you go through and do. And so all the units will be set up for this as we go. The syllabus is also posted here, of course, and you can look through the syllabus. Again, pretty standard process here for the syllabus. My contact information is in here if you are interested in information. So again, and the assessment, assignments, learning, exercise or activities, and unit reviews. There'll be 2 projects that we'll do throughout this course. And those are also significant point stuff. Now, what is this course going to be doing? We'll be doing Android development. And it's kind of broken up into 3 phases. The first unit, we actually review Android Studio, not Android Studio, App Inventor, which is a simple block-driven interface, which we used in CIS 1001, the CS Principles class. So we'll do that in the CS Principles class with dragging blocks. And just to review, and we'll look at some more complicated ideas from that. Then starting at Unit 2 through Unit 8, we'll do Android Studio with Java. This is a traditional native-based Android development, and we're going to be doing it in Java because most of you know Java already because you've taken Java 1 and Java 2. And it lets us jump into some more of the complex activities with Java without having, just programming activities in a language you're somewhat familiar with and looking at that. You can also do native native Android programming in a language called Kotlin, which Google has. and is gaining more popularity. But I'm sticking with Java because, again, I don't want to throw you into a new language here. I'd rather look at the concepts in a more traditional Java language. So we'll be doing that in Java for the first half of the course. And that'll be all Android development. Now, starting week 9, we'll switch to an environment called Flutter, which is a higher level environment. We'll still continue to use Android Studio and do Flutter development there, but this is a higher level development, and it'll let us develop apps that we can then publish to Android systems, iOS systems, and also the web. And it's more interface driven, user interface driven and stuff. So the last part of the class will be doing that. So there'll be 2 projects, one which will be an Android Studio and Java project, which we do in the middle of the course, and one which is kind of the final project in Flutter, which is the Flutter part. So that's the general layout of the course.